Thinking about getting a Dell Latitude in 2025? In this video, I'm comparing the Latitude 9450 versus 7450 to help you decide which one's right for you. Watch till the end. I'll reveal which laptop is the better buy. I've also included links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and if you find this helpful, give it a like. It really helps me out. The Dell Latitude 9450 2-in-1 distinguishes itself with a sleek premium design, featuring thick brushed aluminum chassis panels that contribute to its substantial and rigid feel even at 3.5 pounds. Its 0.55-inch thickness balances elegance with structural integrity, and the internal smooth touch plastics enhance user comfort. In contrast, the Dell Latitude 7450 prioritizes extreme portability, boasting a remarkably thin 0.71-inch profile and a featherlight 2.33 pounds, achieved through a 90% magnesium alloy base. While both offer robust build quality, the 9450 leans into a more solid, luxurious construction, whereas the 7450 emphasizes minimalist, travel-friendly lightness. Regarding connectivity, the Latitude 9450 embraces modern high-speed I/O with 3 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, each supporting power delivery and video output. However, it notably omits legacy ports like HDMI, USB-A, and an SD card reader, necessitating dongles for many peripherals. The Latitude 7450, despite its svelter form, offers a more comprehensive selection, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and an HDMI 2.1 port, providing greater out-of-the-box versatility without relying as heavily on adapters. When comparing the displays, the Latitude 9450 boasts a 14-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS touchscreen that reaches a bright 500 nits, offering solid color reproduction with approximately 100% sRGB coverage. In contrast, the Latitude 7450 Ultralight features a similar 14-inch QHD+ IPS touchscreen at 2560 by 1600, but its peak brightness is around 400 nits. Both panels have a 60 Hz refresh rate and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, providing ample vertical workspace. For cameras, the 9450 is equipped with a 1080p infrared webcam, which includes a physical privacy shutter and supports Windows Hello face recognition. The 7450 steps up with a 5-megapixel IR Windows Hello camera, also featuring a physical privacy shutter and benefiting from Dell's on-chip AI for auto-frame and background blur. Both laptops incorporate upward-firing stereo speakers delivering clear mids and highs suitable for calls and presentations, though bass is limited due to their thin chassis. The typing experience on both Latitude models is comfortable, with both offering full-size keyboards featuring 1.5mm key travel and consistent backlighting. The 9450 features a large 5.5-inch by 3-inch precision glass touchpad with integrated click buttons. The 7450 also has a generously sized glass touchpad, but it uniquely integrates collaboration shortcuts for Zoom and Teams along its top edge. In terms of battery life, the Latitude 9450, with its 63 watt-hour battery, demonstrated exceptional endurance, lasting an impressive 18 hours and 39 minutes in video playback. The Latitude 7450, with a 57 watt-hour battery, also provides strong battery performance, achieving around 10.5 hours in a 4K video loop test and an estimated 8 to 10 hours in real-world mixed-usage scenarios. Both models support fast charging via USB-C. Both are equipped with Intel's Core Ultra 7 processors, but they feature different variants. The 9450 uses the more powerful Core Ultra 7 165H, a 10-core chip, while the 7450 features the Core Ultra 7 165U, an efficient hybrid architecture CPU. In terms of editing and content creation, the 9450, with its integrated Intel Arc graphics, can handle casual photo and 1080p video editing, though it's not designed for high-end creative tasks. The 7450, also with integrated Intel graphics, similarly manages simple Photoshop workflows and casual Premiere Pro edits. For gaming, neither laptop is a dedicated gaming machine. The 9450's Intel Arc GPU can run esports titles at modest settings, and the 7450's integrated graphics are sufficient for light 3D tasks and casual games. If you want premium build, better performance, and all-day battery, the Dell Latitude 9450 is the clear winner. It's perfect for power users. But if portability and ports matter more, the 7450 is still a solid choice.